When I was learning stuff like roofing contractors and insurance claims process, only supplemented after the repairs started, 5 years ago, I found it very easy just to give up. What's up? Brian McDonald with InsuranceClaimsPractitioner.com. I'm happy to be back. I told everybody that I was going to put out this series. It's called the Perfected Insurance Claims Process, and I want everybody to know that I'm excited to get back in the saddle and to start making videos again, and you guys are going to be excited. This is going to be awesome. We're going to have a great time. Now each part, now there's multiple parts to this series. There's 6 parts. I'll go through it briefly. The first part you guys have already seen, understanding adjuster estimates. Now if you haven't seen it, click the link down below and go see it. And then the next part, part 2, is going to be property damage assessments. The part 3, how to build a proper damage assessment. Part 4, submit the estimate. And then part 5 is going to be how to handle re-inspections. And then part 6 is going to be how to properly invoice the completed job. Now I know everybody's going to love that. It doesn't take long for you guys to do this. Now I've learned over my 5 years in the insurance restoration process that there are flaws with supplementing after the repairs. I just didn't understand why. Why do you have to supplement after the repairs? I mean, not everybody has to. We're contractors. You don't have to hire a public adjuster to extend the time frame for that public adjuster to get you and your customer what you need to make your customer whole again and indemnified. It will only delay the project and delay you from getting your money. I found that you don't have to hire an appraiser all the time, and you don't have to hire a lawyer. Now there are instances, depending on the claim and the situation, now there are times to where you would need help from a public adjuster, appraiser, and a lawyer. Not saying that the system that I use, this perfected insurance claims process, is the end-all be-all silver bullet. No, by far. This is just my way of doing it, how I have shown myself after learning about the insurance claims process and what happens, who does what are the players are, how to play the insurance claim game. I feel that you could get your supplements approved most of the time before the repairs start. Now, how do we do that? Now, that's the big question, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys. You're gonna love it. I love doing this. I have a business, outside of doing these videos, so I'm giving back. This is a way for me to give back to the insurance restoration industry that I got into over 5 years ago, and I wish I got into it 10, 15 years ago, but unfortunately that's the way life is sometimes. So let me give you some little details of each one of these parts. Also, there's going to be additional videos on each part describing more detail on each part. For instance, how to build a proper damage estimate. There's going to be mini-series. I'm going to call them mini-series, I don't know, or episodes, or I'm not sure how I'm going to word it out yet. But if you've got any ideas, put a comment down below and let me know. But for now, I'm just going to call them mini-series in each part. So like for instance, part 3, how to build a proper damage estimate. I'm going to have another video on code research, another video on Xactimate estimates, another video on preparation of submittals, sending your information to the desk adjuster. You're saying, Brian, why'd you say desk adjuster? Don't you send it to the adjuster? No. I don't send my paperwork and estimates and documents that I've collected from my proper damage assessment of each project to the adjuster. Now, if you have watched my part 1 video of understanding adjusters' estimates, you'll know that adjusters only have a certain amount of leeway to approve your claim. So go watch that video and you'll understand why. While we're on the topic of adjusters, everybody please, respect your field adjusters that come out there. Don't give them slack or argue with them or want to throw them off the roof or building. They're just humans just like you and I. They got a job just like you and I. And you'll get more bees with honey if you just let them do their job. Point out what you think is damage on the property and get their opinion. And more than likely, if you feel that it really is damage from hail or wind or a hurricane or a tornado or a flood, they will apply coverage. They'd be more than happy to apply coverage. Why? Because that's how they make their money in most instances, is applying coverage and the amount of coverage in their Xactimate estimates that they could get approved from their bosses. And that's the ultimate game to start my process, is to get the adjusters to apply coverage. Doesn't matter what it is, just to get that door open. Not all the way, doesn't have to be all the way, because you know that there's going to be things missing from that estimate that the adjuster can't approve. And that's where I come in and work my magic and start my perfected insurance claims process. And I'm excited to tell you guys about this. I know you're going to love it. Give me some feedback, tell me how I'm doing, and put some comments down below on any other videos you'd like for me to make for you, to learning more things about the insurance claims process. Just leave a comment below and I appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified if you want to. That's your prerogative. So when each video gets uploaded, you'll get a notification from me so you can start watching it. And I want you to be up to date on my progress, and I greatly appreciate you watching my channel. So let's get into this. What's up, everybody? Taking a break from inside my studio. Been locked up for the last couple of days, coming up with my next series for you, and it's going to document all the way through a perfected insurance claims process for you to digest and to learn from, and to see how Brian McDonald, a practitioner in the insurance restoration industry, does his work. I love it. I love what I do every day, and I want to share everything that I know with everybody so more people can enjoy this and get into it. So let me show you what I'm working on. There's my new series, Perfected Insurance Claims Process by Brian McDonald. Now, it's not the best claims process, it's just another way that you can implement yourself, or if you would like, I can certainly help you out and look at your projects and see if I can help you out. And please subscribe to the channel so that you get instantaneous notifications when I upload each mini-series and parts to the series, so that you can consume and enjoy and learn from. And if you get any value out of my videos, smash that like button for me, and I greatly appreciate it. What's going on, folks? Did I just say folks? Do people say folks? Well, I do live in the South, so I mean, people say folks all the time.